girly, we are here with Sensational's Curls Kinks 13x6 textured lace wig. I do have her in the color 1B, 18 inches, and she's a body wave unit with kinky edges. All right, so this is what she looks like the first time me putting her on my head, and I was completely obsessed. Look at these freaking curls. Y'all can't tell me nothing. These curls ate down. I kind of wish I just left them like this because they were serving looks on all types of level, okay? I love the edges. Y'all, the edges felt so freaking realistic. You couldn't tell me this wasn't a virgin hair unit. You couldn't do it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with the install process. Y'all, I'm cutting off the lace. I cut fairly close. I also make sure to cut jagged edges as well. Now y'all can see that the lace is transparent. So we're definitely gonna have to go in and tinter to make her match with our complexion. So I did go ahead, y'all, I was lazy this day. I did not feel like tinting the lace, so I just used my cream foundation to tint the lace. We're going in to secure her using my Kiss lace spray. Y'all know I rave about this product all the time. Obsessed. We're going to use 2 layers in the middle and 4 layers on the sides. Once the product is tacky, you're just going to take your lace and lay it right on the lace adhesive, and you're going to use your comb to press it down, as well with following up with your blow dryer on a cool heating setting to have everything stay in place. The reason why I do layer up on the ear tab section is because they tend to lift easily, in my personal opinion, so that's why I do that. But we're gonna do this on both sides. So I'm trying to blend the lace in more using more of my cream foundation. Please do not use this product to, lay down this lace. I do not like cream foundation paired with synthetic lace. It just does not look right. It looks fine here, but from other angles, and y'all gonna see this later in the video, you can see the line of demarcation. So it's a no for me. I should have used my tinting spray. But I'm gonna let this sit and melt for about 10 minutes. I am going to add some baby hairs. I will link a video below with me installing one of Sensational's other kinky units without doing baby hairs, so you guys can check that out. And I also use tint and spray, so it looks really natural. So yeah. So I did pick up some more edge brushes from Amazon. We're going to go in and just swoop these baby hairs. The goal is not for it to be, nice, neat, and uniform. Is it uniform? Unified? Whatever. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. It's not that. I'm trying to make them messy, very natural. I'm just going to dry it down a little bit so I can work with the product a little bit more. And that's all I'm going to do for the baby hairs. I love how the baby hairs swoop though. Like, they just have a nice curl to them, and it just gives natural, in my opinion. While I'm waiting for my hot comb to warm up, we're just going to eat some Twizzlers. Do y'all like Twizzlers? I like Twizzlers. People say they're nasty, but I love them. I only like the strawberry ones, though. So that's that on that. We're just going in to hot comb the roots of the wig. And y'all see how natural, like, that look like it's coming freaking out of my scalp. Stop playing. You couldn't tell me nothing, okay? But again, if I had used tinting spray, it would have brought everything together, because literally I can see the lace, and I hate that for me, okay? I hate that for me. But anyway, I'm just, fluffing out the curls, seeing how I would like them. I really regretted combing them out. That was the worst. Why would I do that? I don't know. But anyway, I did get some tangling when I was doing this step, and I did get some shedding as well. So I'm going in to do a deep side part. Who told me to do a deep side part? I do not know. Watching this footage back, I freaking hate it. I wished I would have just left it alone, just flung it over there without doing a part, because I felt like it just looked more natural, more realistic. This part just made it look so freaking fake. I don't know what it was, but I was not feeling this deep side part at all. All right, so this is what it looks like with the part, but this is really how I should have left it. Y'all see where it's no part, it's not defined, it's just lightly flipped over. If I had left it like this, baby, it would have ate completely down, okay? But anyway, we did put the part in there. It's not too bad, but it's just not it. I don't know what it is, I just didn't like it, but yeah. All right, so now we're just gonna do a half up, half down style. Again, key here, no parts. no freaking part. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hot comb the ponytail upwards. I'm not using any wax or hairspray or anything. Well, I do go in with a little bit of got2b glue spray at the end, but we're just gonna wrap this up in a ponytail. I do not like doing the ponytails too tight on any type of wigs, because I feel like you can see when the wig be like bulking up together, it would just be doing something weird. So I try to keep it like tight but loose all at the same time, if that makes sense. So we're just gonna spread that out, and that's just gonna be an easy style that looks, to me, completely natural. It doesn't look like a wig. All right, so this is how this style turned out. Super cute, super flowy. It's just giving what it's supposed to give, and I just love this style. Everybody knows a classic half up, half down is gonna do the job every time. So for this last style, I'm just going to add a headband. I'm going to show you guys the bandana headband and just a classic basic headband. You can't go wrong with neither one. While I'm doing that, I'm just going to give you guys my overall thoughts on this unit. I'm going to rate this unit a 8 out of 10. I took 2 points off specifically because I forgot to show you guys the inside of the wig. Okay, first of all, it's not a full lace 13x6. Okay, it's the most parting space you get is in the center, so that was a point. The other point was, I feel like it was a little bit snug, and it does have an elastic adjustable band, but it still felt snug even with it on its loosened setting. So it would be questionable if my girls who have, you know, a little bit of a bigger head, would they have to cut the elastic band out. Now, if you don't mind wearing it without the elastic band, like you can't wear it glueless, you should be fine. But if you do mind, I wouldn't recommend you getting it. But overall, y'all, love the texture, love the edges. This unit is a staple for any type of season, any type of occasion. You can dress it up, dress it down. I love this freaking wig and would recommend it. Okay, would I buy this again? Yes, yes, yes. So I will leave the link to this unit listed down in the description section below. And until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye, guys.